Namaste dears, this is Jyoti Lakshmi from Present Vidya Mandir School, prepared by myself Miss Jyoti Lakshmi, presented by Miss Sukanya, Miss Tamashilvi and Miss Subhastri. Class 3, Subject Science, Lesson 9, Where are we? Month February, Week 2, Part 2 video. Yes, where are we? We are in universe. Yeah. Before going to our new topic, we just recall our previous topics. Planets in our solar system. Yeah. What are the planets in our solar system? Yes, you know that. What are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets in our solar system. Yes, that first 4 is divided into our inner planets. The next 4 is called outer planets. Outer planets are covered with ring that made up of ice and rocks. All the outer planets in our solar system have rings around them. Here you can see the ring in all the outer planets. These rings are mostly made up of ice and rocks. The first 4 planets are called as inner planets. Different components in our solar system. Yeah, what are the different components in our solar system? Stars, planets, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, galaxies. In last video, we had seen about the stars and planets. Now we are going to see asteroid, meteoroids and comets. Expected learning outcome. Students will be able to name some of the different components in our universe. First, name some of the different components in our universe. Second thing, describe some of the different components in our universe. Describe some of the different components in our universe. First, we are going to see about asteroids. Asteroids are small pieces of rock that are found in space. Asteroids are small pieces of rock that are found in space. In our solar system, most asteroids are found orbiting the sun in the asteroid belt. In our solar system, most asteroids are found orbiting the sun in the asteroid belt. Here you can see this is the asteroid belt. Asteroid belt. It lies between the Mars and Jupiter. Mars and Jupiter. Asteroid belt lies between the Mars and Jupiter. Small particles. It is made up of small particles. It orbiting the sun. The asteroid belt is made up of several thousand asteroids and lies between Mars and Jupiter, thus dividing the inner and outer planet. It's dividing. The asteroid belt is dividing the inner planet and outer planet. Asteroid belt before planet are called inner planet. Asteroid belt after planet are called outer planet. Outer planets. Here we are going to see about meteoroids. Meteoroids. Asteroids break into smaller pieces called meteoroids. Here you can see the image of meteoroids. That small pieces. Asteroid break into small pieces are called meteoroids. Sometimes asteroids collide with one another and break into smaller pieces. These smaller asteroids that continue to go around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes asteroids collide with one another and break into smaller pieces. These smaller asteroids that continue to go around the sun are called meteoroids. Here you can see the image of meteor flying across the night sky. Meteor flying across the night sky. Here you can see the image of a burning meteor. When a meteoroid changes its path around the sun and enters the air surrounding Earth, it begins to burn. When a meteoroid changes its path around the sun and enters the air surrounding Earth, it begins to burn. This burning piece of rock gives rise to a beautiful tail. This burning piece of rock gives rise to a beautiful tail of light as it travels through the sky. This is called a meteor. Meteors are often known as shooting stars. Meteors are often known as shooting stars or falling stars because of their appearance. A burning meteor. Here, meteor crater, North America. Collie crater, Estonia. The impact with which meteoroids strike the surface of Earth leads to the formation of large, bowl-shaped depressions on the ground known as craters. The impact with which meteoroids strike the surface of Earth leads to the formation of large, bowl-shaped depressions on the ground known as craters. It falls into the ground. The meteoroid fall to the ground and make a bowl-shaped depressions on the ground is known as craters. This is known as craters. It is found in North America. Meteor crater. This is Collie crater. It's found in Estonia. Now we are going to see comets. Comet Hale-Bopp. Comets. Another components of space that we may sometimes observe flying across the sky are comets. Another components of space that we may sometimes observe flying across the sky are comets. In our solar system, comets are found orbiting the sun outside Neptune's orbit. In our solar system, comets are found orbiting the sun outside Neptune's orbit. Comets found in outside of the Neptune orbit. They are mostly made up of ice and dust and are often referred to as dirty snowballs. They are mostly made up of ice and dust and are often referred to as dirty snowballs. When comets come closer to the sun, they develop two tails. When comets come closer to the sun, they develop two tails pointing away from. Words to learn. The first one is asteroid. 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 Meteor. 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 Third one is meteoroids. 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 Fourth one is meteorites. 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 Crater. 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 The last one is comets. 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 Yes, thank you children. Bye-bye. Happy learning.